Hey guys, so I got a quick video. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil change required light on a 2014 Ford Focus. The same procedure worked for a couple of years, almost from 2011, if I'm not wrong, to 2019. Different models, a lot of other Ford models, like a lot of Transits, F-150s, Fusions, the same procedure. So first thing we need to do is turn the ignition to the off position. Press the brake pedal and the gas pedal. Hold both of them down and turn the ignition on. Make sure do not start it, just turn the ignition on. In a couple of seconds, you'll see a message, service oil reset in progress. It takes like 10 to 20 seconds. Make sure do not release the brake pedal and the gas pedal. All right, service reset complete. That means the procedure was successful. You can let go of both the pedals, turn the ignition off, and then start it again. And the fault message should be gone. So very simple procedure. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.